You know, thank you, sun, for waking me up. Because if the sun was to decide, and now today I'm not rising, I just want to die today. We all die. You know, this melanin as black people, that is our power, you know. And it's just quite sad we just to eradicate this melanin, not realizing actually that is why you're actually connecting. The spiritual eye is linked to that, you know. And before we ate the foods that we ate, we were actually like closer to nature. Our blackness was actually close towards green. So you can tell like a green mark here. That was the original color. That is the chlorophyll that you see in your plants. So Labona, we are scientists, you know. So around brown pondo I can round pondo lebalo era libita mara now use magic waruna in the right way. I don't know yani runa south. We take that hacker redirect because yes you know, we're not here to be popular or, you know, to be the first ones or one of the few ones that are dropping Kemet content more South Africa, but it's actually a very serious thing, Hore. We are black people, we are the owners in theory of this land, Mara. We are the poorest, you know, we are the ones by arena direction, you know. We don't even know what we're about, you know, and more to how more find the truth bomb or kwatela, you know, because why? Your inner self, it recognizes, so I'm kwatela because you wanna agree with me, Mara, because you've been taught where now you are actually, there's something else that is superior than you, you know. So my question is, like, okay, Galuta, fine, whatever terms that they use for new age things and whatnot, but I'm like, what do you guys keep being saved from, you know? Like, do you recognize that you are gods? Do you recognize Mvelingani lives in you, Nomkubulani lives in you, you know? And people don't, you know, and I think the hardest thing facing yourself, you know. Job harabeke, just watch yourself in the mirror. That first I love you, you're gonna cry, you know.